everyone. So this review is about Snapon's electric die grinder. I only used it once so far, but so far I like it. It worked really well. All I used it for was to cut off some studs off of exhaust. Here, turn it on for you. Right here is the on. That's the power. The only real complaint I have with it so far is that the battery pack at first, when it's new, it comes out really hard, harder than you expect. But this is what I do to get it out. See, there, it's finally out. But apparently, it's only like that. But after you use it for a little bit, it gets better. At least that's what my Snap-on rep has said. So, but yeah, I made a video of me cutting off said exhaust. So, check it out. Take that, you bastard.